Thinking about moving part of your retirement into gold, but worried you might mess up the rollover? You're not alone. A lot of people hold back because they are afraid of triggering taxes or getting stuck in paperwork. So here's a quick way to understand how the rollover process actually works and how to do it without penalties. This is one of Augusta's free educational guides, and it includes key details on how rollovers work. The first thing to know is you're not closing your retirement account. You're just moving a portion into a self-directed IRA, which is IRS approved. The guide emphasizes that your new custodian handles the transfer directly, so you never take personal possession of the funds. That's the big mistake to avoid, withdrawing the money yourself. That's what triggers penalties. When done right, a rollover is tax-free and seamless, and Augusta's team helps walk you through it step by step. I've linked this guide in the description. This rollover breakdown is just one part of Augusta's Gold IRA Ultimate Guide, a full set of free PDFs designed to help you understand every part of the process. There are guides on setup, fees, storage, and even company comparisons, so you're not going in blind. If you've been holding off on a rollover because of confusion or fear of penalties, this guide clears a lot of that up. I'll link the full Gold IRA Ultimate Guide bundle in the description. It's free, beginner friendly, and a great first step to protecting your savings with precious metals.